In this tutorial video, you will learn how to delete in Attribute table. The Attribute table is opened from the Layer options in the Layer box. There are different deletion options when you click the Delete Save option in the Action menu in the panel that appears. With the Delete All Saves option, all geometries in the layer are deleted. With the Delete Selected option, only the selected geometries in the layer are deleted. With the Delete Filtered option, the filtered geometries in the table are deleted. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.